The work of the small business team really is at the core of JumpStart's mission. We really want to make sure that entrepreneurs are the beating heart of our economy, and so they need to continue to keep growing to be able to hire from the community and provide resources to the community. My name is Patty, and I oversee our small business line of work, which encompasses our programs, one-on-one advising, and access to capital. The work that we do is very personal and very heartfelt, and you really need to be able to understand the people that you're working with before you're able to provide any advice. And so I rule by that, not only by working with my clients, but also how I work with my team members. Something that I really want people to know is that there's no bad time to come and work with us. So if entrepreneurs can come here early on, there's that much more time that we can figure out a pathway forward for them. What inspires me in my work every day is the entrepreneurs themselves. It's really hard to be an entrepreneur, and it takes a lot of sacrifices. And so the work that me and my team is able to do is really just a small drop in the bucket of what it takes to be an entrepreneur.